So what's inside one of these artistic, poseable mannequins? If one fell apart, how difficult would it be to get it back together? In this video, I'll show you what's inside and how to get it back together. So there's basically a spring that moves all the way from one joint to the next. So basically from the hip all the way to the foot. If we remove the lower leg, the knee, and the upper leg, we'll see the spring. So if we pull it with a spring, you can see this spring keeps everything together. So it's easy to put the upper leg on. It gets more complicated as we go. The knee is also easy. There's still plenty of spring to grab. So now we need to pull the spring out and then lock it into position to relieve the tension on the spring. We'll use this little metal rod and we'll push it right into the spring and lock it. It's a little tricky, but you'll hold it with one hand and just slide it into position and lock it. So now the lower leg will go right into place, and then we'll take a pick and just grab the other end of this spring and pull it up through. Once you have a hold of it, we're going to take another piece of metal and we're going to pull the tension off the spring and lock it so we can get the foot on. Just make sure the hook is wide enough that you can slip it over the pin. Now we'll take a sharp pick and start to bend that hook around the pin so it's nice and tight. Now the hard part is done. Go ahead and remove these steel pins and let the spring retract back into position. And now you have an adjustable artistic mannequin again. Now you can pull your pencil out and get back to work. Well, I hope you found this video useful, or at least entertaining. And if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.